Hello from Chic Spaces. Today we are thrilled to take you on a journey into the world of modern luxury interiors.
In the fast-paced world that we live in today, our surroundings play a crucial role in the experiences that we have. Modern luxury interiors are not limited to opulence. They are a testament of thoughtful designs, functionality, and a blend of aesthetics.
Imagine stepping into a space where every element is meticulously curated to evoke the sense of sophistication and comfort.
This is modern luxury interiors, a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality.
Well, there are many favorite chic spaces of ours, but to let us know about your favorite chic space, please watch the entire video and do let us know in the comments below.
Thank you.